Unlocking mindfulness, the art of being aware. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, finding moments of peace and clarity can be a challenge. Whether it's during meditation, studying, or simply trying to relax, the constant stream of thoughts can often overwhelm us. But what if I told you that the key to a clear mind isn't about emptying it of thoughts, but rather being aware of them? Understanding meditation. Meditation is not about stopping thoughts. It's about embracing them with awareness. Imagine your mind as a garden where thoughts bloom like flowers. Instead of trying to pluck them out forcefully, simply observe them as they come and go. This practice, known as Chiththanupassana in Buddhist teachings, encourages us to be mindful of our thoughts without judgment. Embracing awareness. When a thought arises, whether it's a desire, anger, or craving, acknowledge it without getting entangled in its web. Just like a parent watching over a mischievous child, our awareness can guide our thoughts toward stillness. By recognizing and understanding our thoughts, we empower ourselves to let them naturally fade away. The power of presence. Bringing our attention to the present moment is the cornerstone of quieting the mind. By observing the arrival and departure of thoughts, we anchor ourselves in the now. This simple act of awareness can lead to a quieter and more peaceful mind, even amidst the chaos of a busy day. Practice makes perfect. Next time your mind feels cluttered, try this simple exercise. Focus on one thought. Watch it as it emerges, and observe its gentle departure. By treating your thoughts as external entities, you create a space for them to exist without disturbance. This practice of mindfulness can transform the way you approach meditation and daily life. In conclusion, the path to a clear mind lies not in fighting our thoughts, but in embracing them with awareness. By cultivating mindfulness, we can find tranquility in the midst of chaos. So, take this advice to heart, practice it in your daily life, and watch as your mind becomes a sanctuary of peace and clarity.